What if you could plant once and earn for the next 30 to 50 years? No heavy maintenance, no daily harvesting stress, just high-value dry fruits with strong market demand. Here are 5 beginner-friendly options Indian farmers can start with. Almond. Great for cool or hilly regions. Low water requirement and yields start in 3 to 4 years. Demand is always strong. Cashew. Perfect for tropical and coastal areas. Grows even in poor soil. Needs very little care. Stable yearly income. Pistachio. Loves hot, dry climates. Takes time to yield, but offers premium long-term returns. Walnut. Ideal for cold regions. Low maintenance. Consistent demand. Dates. Best for hot, dry areas. Minimal irrigation. Rising market value. If you want a low-maintenance crop with long-term income potential, dry fruits are a smart start. Which one would you grow? Subscribe to Discover Agriculture for detailed profit guides.